I'd like 20 chicken nuggets with sweet and sour sauce, 2 cheeseburgers, and 4 Coca-Colas.
Will that be all?
Yes.
It's for here or to go, sir.
For here, please.
That will be $22.50. Your order will be ready soon.
Oh no. There are only 10 chicken nuggets in here. There were supposed to be 20.
And these are fish burgers.
But I ordered cheeseburgers. I'm going to take it back to the counter. We should get what we ordered. Excuse me.
Yes?
This is not what I ordered. I ordered 20 chicken nuggets, and I only got 10. Also, instead of 2 cheeseburgers, I got 2 fish burgers.
I'm sorry, sir. Can I see your receipt?
Yes, here it is. Can you correct this order?
Sure. If you could just bear with me for a moment, I'll get you the correct order.
Thank you.
Here it is. I'm sorry about that. Your order got mixed up with someone else's. I gave you some free French fries to make up for it.
Thank you.
Did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, thank you. These headphones are exactly what I need. My neighbor has a really loud dog, and I can't get any work done.
I hope they do the trick. That will be $150.
Wow, that's expensive. But these are supposed to be the best, right?
Yes, that's a good brand of headphones. Do you want to purchase our protection plan in case something happens to them?
That's okay. I don't think I need it. What's wrong with these? I just bought them.
Can I help you?
Yes, these headphones aren't working anymore. I'd like to return them and get a refund.
Do you have the receipt?
No, I must have dropped it. I bought these here a couple of days ago.
Did you purchase a protection plan?
No.
Our return policy states that if you don't have a receipt or protection plan, then you cannot return the item. I'm sorry, sir.
But I just bought them. Isn't there anything you can do?
Well, you can't return the headphones, but you can exchange them for another pair.
Okay, thanks. Hopefully the new headphones will work.
Wow, that's a great sale!
Wow, these shirts are nice.
I know, I really love them. Hey, that's not the right price. Those shirts are supposed to be on sale.
These shirts are not on sale. The sale sign was still up from last week. I'm sorry.
Does that mean I have to pay the full price?
Yes, I'm sorry about the misunderstanding.
I don't think it's right to have a sale sign up on something that isn't on sale. I'd like to speak to your manager.
I can get my manager for you. Wait here a minute.
Hello, miss. Can I help you?
Yes, I saw the sale sign here and I got these shirts, thinking that they were on sale. The cashier says I have to pay full price. I don't think that's right.
I understand, miss. Our customers are very important to us. We've taken down the sale sign. Thank you for bringing that to our attention. I can ring those shirts up for you at the sale price.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Hi, I'm Brandon, your neighbor from downstairs.
Hi, I'm Jessica. Nice to meet you.
Sorry to bother you, but can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure, is everything all right?
I've been listening to you play the piano from my apartment for a while now. And it's nice to hear that you're getting better. Unfortunately, I tried to sleep in on weekends. I can't speak for our neighbors, but it's perfectly fine during the weekdays because I'm up at 7 a.m. anyway. On the weekends, I'd really appreciate it if you can hold off until 9 a.m.
No problem. I'll postpone practicing the piano until 10 a.m. Sorry about that. I didn't realize it was disturbing for you.
Don't get me wrong, but weekends are the only chance I have to catch up on sleep.
It's all good. You don't need to explain yourself. We appear to be operating on different schedules, that's all.
Okay. Thank you for being so kind. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, too. The water was so cold. This is unacceptable. I'm gonna make a complaint.
This is the front desk. How can I help you?
This is Anita Martin from room 101. I'd like to make a complaint.
Sure, madam. What seems to be the problem?
There's no hot water in my room, so I had to take a cold shower. This is unacceptable. I'm very disappointed with your service. I'd like you to resolve this matter as quickly as possible, or I'll have to cancel my reservation.
Please accept our sincerest apologies for not having hot water. Unfortunately, our hot water system has developed technical problems this morning. We're working on this, and we promise to have this issue solved in almost no time. We'll make sure to give you a discount.
Okay, thank you. Also, there's an issue with the heating. It's very hot in my room.
You can adjust the temperature using the thermostat near the light switch.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.